Do dolphins really smile? By Laura Driscoll, illustrated by Christina Wald. New York Aquarium, Brooklyn, New York, 1988. Two dolphins play together in a large pool. Their names are Tab and Presley. Tab chases Presley. Presley dives down. Tab dives after Presley. Like all dolphins, they love to play. They like to eat, too. Now it is feeding time. A trainer blows a whistle. The dolphins race to her. She tosses fish to them. They catch the fish in their mouths. Soon feeding time is over. What is the trainer holding now? Is it another fish? No, it is a marker. She makes a mark on Tab's head. On the other side of the pool, there is a mirror. Right away, Tab swims to it. Tab floats in front of the mirror. He looks at himself. He tries to see the mark on his head. Scientists are watching Tab. Why are they there? They want to know the answer to a question. Does Tab recognize himself? It seems like he does. He looks at the mark. Tab seems to know it is Tab in the mirror, not some other dolphin. Besides dolphins, only humans and apes know their own images in a mirror. So dolphins must be very smart. Just how smart are they? Scientists don't know for sure. But there is a lot they do know about dolphins. Do you know that dolphins are not fish? Dolphins may look like fish, but fish breathe underwater through slits called gills. Their babies hatch from eggs. Dolphins are mammals, like dogs and cows and humans. They breathe air. They give birth to live babies. They nurse their young. Dolphins are a kind of whale. The biggest whales are much bigger than dolphins, but they all belong to the same family. There are many different types of dolphins. What is something that you have learned this far while we have been reading this book about dolphins? That's awesome. Dolphins live in many parts of the world. Some live in the ocean, some live in rivers. Most dolphins you see in aquariums are bottlenose dolphins. They have sleek bodies and powerful tails. They can swim 30 miles per hour. These are the dolphins that look like they are smiling. But are they really? Scientists say no. They look this way even when they're scared. Like all whales, a dolphin must hold its breath underwater. Some dolphins can hold their breath for 10 minutes. Then they come up for air. There is a hole on top of a dolphin's head. It is called a blowhole. It opens to take in air. Then the dolphin dives down in the water again. In the ocean, bottlenose dolphins live in small groups. Sometimes groups will band together. There may be hundreds of dolphins. They swim together, they care for their young together, they hunt for food together. They form a circle around a group of fish. Some of the dolphins swim into the circle and eat fish. When they are done, the next group of dolphins gets a turn to eat. How do dolphins work so well together? Some scientists think they talk to each other. Lots of animals tell each other things. Dogs growl to say, "Back off." They whine to show they are scared or hunt. Their grunts are like happy sighs. And their barks can mean many different things. Dolphins also make different sounds. They whistle, they squeal, they click, a sound like a creaky door opening. What do dolphins tell each other? A scientist did an experiment to find out. He used one light and two switches, left and right. He worked with two dolphins. Their names were Buzz and Doris. Can you see the switches and the light? Sometimes the light came on and stayed on. That told the dolphins to hit the switch on the right. If they both did it, they got a treat, a fish. Then they were kept apart in the pool. They could hear each other, but they could not see each other. Only Doris could see the light. The light came on and stayed on. Doris knew to hit the right switch, but Buzz did not know because he could not see the light. Doris wanted her fish, and they both had to hit the right switch for her to get it. She made a sound. Buzz heard it. Then he hit the right switch. They both got their fish. The scientist did the test over and over. Buzz knew the switch to hit almost every time. How did he know? Did Doris tell him? What do you think? Do you think the dolphins were communicating? This dolphin looks for food in a coral reef. She has a sponge on her snout. Why did she put it there? Because the coral is sharp. She may be using the sponge to protect her snout. It is a smart thing for a dolphin to do. Very smart. These are the dolphins' babies. They also put sponges on their snouts. Did the mama dolphin teach them to? Some scientists think so. So dolphins may be good teachers. They are definitely good students. Dolphins in tanks learn lots of tricks, and they learn them quickly. They stand on their tail and dance on the water. They do flips in the air. They wave hello with their flippers. At one aquarium, bits of trash sometimes got in the pool. Eating trash can make dolphins very sick. So the trainers had an idea. They trained the dolphins to help clean the pool. Each time the dolphins brought trash, they got some fish. The dolphins seemed to like this new game. One dolphin came back again and again and again. Each time he had more trash. Each time he got more fish. But one thing didn't make sense. The pool looked clean. So where was the dolphin finding all the trash? The dolphin had a secret stash of trash. He had found lots of trash. He had stuffed it all in a bag in one corner of the pool. Why did he do this? To get fish. When he wanted a snack, he swam to the hidden trash. He picked out a tiny piece, or he tore off a small bit. He wanted his stash to last. Then he took the trash to the trainer and got his fish. The dolphin's new trick was to trick the trainer. So maybe dolphins don't smile, but that one sure got the last laugh. What were some things that you learned about dolphins while we read this book? Was there something you liked about reading this book together?